Hi everyone, I'm Laura from Knitello, and for those of you who don't know, we are a small handmade business and we are making hair accessories. If you want to check our offer, I'll link our social media accounts and our Etsy shop down in the description. And we recently released these cute little scrunchies, so I want to show you how they can highlight any hairstyle. And I'm going to do it by showing you 3 different ideas for quick and elegant hairstyles. All you need is elastic hairband and of course a scrunchie or any other hairband. So I don't want to waste any more time, let's get started. For the twisted ponytail, I'm going to start by taking my hair in a low ponytail. You don't have to take all of your hair, but I like it more that way because it's easier to balance. And then you divide your hair in 2 pieces on the back of your head to create a gap so your ponytail can go through, and then you take your ponytail, flip it and slip it through that gap. And you're basically done. You can give it more volume by detailing hair a little bit and pulling off the sides of the twist. And then you take your scrunchie. And I think it's super quick style and an easy way to upgrade a basic low ponytail. For the low braided bun, I'm going to start by taking my top section of the hair and dividing it into 3 sections. And then you start making regular fishbone hairstyle. You flip your 3 pieces of the hair in a braid, and each time you take a small part of remaining hair. It can be as messy or as tight as you want. More detailed description would be that you pick the outer strand of the hair and connect it with small part of the remaining hair, and then you cross that section over the middle strand. Then again on the other side, you take left piece and pick up a new section of the hair and cross it over the middle strand as well. Repeat those steps while adding new sections of the hair into the braid, alternating between left and the right side. I'm working my way down the head, and when the braid reaches the end of my hair, I'm just going to tie it with my elastic band. I'm not going to pull it all the way out, so no piece of hair sticks out in the bun. And then you just take the braid and rotate it into a bun. You fix it all with a scrunchie, and your elegant braided bun is ready. For the ponytail with braid, I'm going to start by taking a small piece from the top part of my hair and divide it into 3 pieces so I can make a small braid with that part. You can take a piece as big as you want your braid to be thick. And just like the hairstyle before, you pick the outer strand of the hair and cross that section over the middle strand. And then again on the other side until the end of that piece. In the end, you tie your braid with an elastic band. When you're done, you can pull slightly on the edges to make it a little fuller if you want. You can pull only at the beginning of the braid so that it has a gradual reduction, or pull everywhere. Then take all the hair and connect it with the braid. You can leave a little hair on the front if you want. Finally, tie your hair in a high ponytail. This is a really fast and effective hairstyle that you can wear every day. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. And since this was my first video, please tell me what you think down in the comments. I want to hear all the good and all the bad, so I can raise my videos to a higher level. And of course, tell me which hairstyle is your favorite, and if you'll try to recreate one, please tag us in social media. That's it, see you next time, bye!